Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading from from the Spirits of Nature Oracle deck. Today's message is meant for you where you are standing on your journey. So if you don't understand what is happening in your life right now, know that you are going through a very big phase of transformation. You are shedding skin or layers of yourself that were never part of yourself. um, Also know that this is going to help you with the flow of energy to be able to breathe again. And after this transformation, you are going to find that your creativity is going to increase, and this is going to help you with your journey and probably a new investment. Thank you, guys.